All right, guys, real quick video. So Google Pixel 6 right here. Yeah, I went ahead and installed Evolution X 11.7 on the Pixel 6. And yeah, here's a quick run through. So you guys can see my biometric sensor is right there. I got that little anime character there. So fingerprint unlocks the phone. And we do get, access to the Sandbox app, which, lets you sandbox your apps for more security. We got, the game space here, so you can mess with settings to make your gaming experience the way that you want it to be. So that's a nice little touch to it. And then, as an update to people with the Evolver, you can actually, customize like the network antenna, battery. You could do all those customizations right there. As a matter of fact, it's in themes. And when you scroll down here to themes in itself, then it lets you pick, like a custom battery pack. So you like all the ones you've installed are right here. And you can adjust them and change them to like different ones that you want. So there's like all these different ones that you literally could apply onto your device and change the aesthetics and the way that it looks. So yeah, that's always a nice touch. And of course, you have where you can put like an image on the header. So that's actually pretty cool. That you'll find here in quick settings and header image. It is based on Android 16 QPR2. So for those that's like, is it Android 17? I'll answer you guys. It's not Android 17. Evolution X's Android 17 would be version 12. So it'd be Evolution X 12. That would be Android 17. But right now they're still focusing on Android 16, and Android 16 is still very capable and everything. And one of the coolest things that I like about it is that you do get the Wi-Fi and the mobile data separated. So you don't have to have it under internet, as they like to call it. But yeah, performance-wise, it's performing very well. It's, really smooth. And battery optimization is really good. So I've had it off, for a little bit. But yeah, that's about right, about an hour, and it's only dropped 6%. So not too bad. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick touch-up update on my Pixel 6 running Evolution X 11.7.